Yeah, my brethren, punsi and cheese. They're on the floor now. I do some grouting. Yeah. Don't tile up the place, eh? Get it ground up. So I tile and baseboard out. So then I have some 24 by 48. Yes, sir. Eh? No, sir. Me alone I eat it, Punsi. So I start getting it. I don't eat it, man. You don't know, say I feel nice, man. Cheese not get none, man. Cheese I go die, yeah. I go down there and go look people and buy my drink. Yeah, so this is some 24 by 48 porcelain. Nice shade. Done and grow up. Yes, so right now we're going to wipe off the floor. Yeah, so punsi up in the corner they are drawing the growth. Let's see some growth in there. So let's see how we finish up the place. So the doorway now we have to use a trim there. Yeah, so this is the whole view of it. Or the evening some kind of warm. So we're going to baseboard. Yeah, so cheese are going to do him wiping. Once they are drawing the ground. And I'm going to extra wrap up the card. Yeah, then I've done that with the extension. Mouse a pop up into it. Once in a top it merengue or you have to have spoons about that. Yeah, so as I say, flour nice and sweet.
That's why people can't stop smoking like this. Pierce right as a pussy. Right in the season. The last season. Come on. Right there.
Yeah, boy, if I help benefit them, say.
So how do you can't stop smoking?
Johnny eat merengue. Hmm?
Yeah.
No, I can't smoke, man. It's clean. So, all of it to work there.
Clean out, you know, got me sure I know. It's a punsi do. Alright, so we're upon the final touch with the panel now, so just do some clean wiping. So it's a punsi pit blue, just a wipe off the doorway. Yeah. So you can see everything. Float up. Wipe off. Nice style. Yeah, some 24 by 40 porcelain. Yeah, so the evening sun is warm. You know, I'm fancy do there and Donovan. Everybody gonna live in the evening, yeah? So. Just the final touch with the pan. So, my people, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the job them. Yeah. Like and share. Share the video, like up the video. So as we say, final touch with the pan, we just need a little clean up. As you can see, we'll cut down them thing here. Yeah, floor nice and sweet. Alright, Mr. Ponce, you know, we're getting out of here now. Yeah, so tell the people when we're going to Ponce, see him there.
Yeah, but we say that enough. You don't like the tile, just share, like, and subscribe to everyone. You see, and we the same way to anything. Alright.
Alright, Mr. Ponce.
But that's the mask.
So, you know, my people, we'll catch you on the next time.
People never miss the Ponce in the mask.
Yeah, so, as I say, I just had to do some cleaning up here now, so, yeah, that's it. Alright, my people, want to send enough respect to all of the supporters, them big up on yourself all the while. All of the people who support the thing from day one, the upcoming supporters, them, yeah, enough respect, see them with. Yes, my people.